Hey guys, PMHK here obviously. So it's December and I noticed that actually it's a tradition here that most people actually do, especially the YouTubers, that they do the VLOGMAS 10-20% off. Like I need to charge this thing. So it's a tradition that we actually do vlogs during the December period, but I'm going to actually try and bring you guys a vlog that's probably gonna happen in the course of maybe a week, if not two. So this is basically my VLOGMAS a series. If you're actually gonna enjoy this kind of video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you like it. So we're gonna start this video. Today is actually Thursday. I think it's the 6th, if not 5th. Thursday the 5th of December. This is where we're starting this vlog. And yeah, so I actually wanted to show you guys something. In the past, I think past month or so, I've broken a couple of things, and one of the things that I actually broke, or two of the things that I actually broke, belong to the same person. Now, this is something DK Deft actually lent it to me. I don't know if he actually gave it to me or he borrowed it to me, but I was trying to actually fix this vlogging rig that I'm using right now, but when I was actually trying to bend the legs, I ended up breaking. This is actually the second, if not third, tripod or gorilla pod that I actually break, and I'm actually not proud of it, but sometimes you gotta break a few things for you to make these videos work. The other thing that I broke of his, I'm gonna link a picture here somewhere, was actually his drone. Not so long ago, I don't know if you guys saw on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go and give it a follow, because I actually do some of my stories there and what's happening, and it's what's gonna happen on the main videos that I do in the kitchen, reviewing stuff. So not so long ago, I went to Sabi with a couple of friends. I borrowed DK Deft's drone, and I kinda ended up crashing it against a truck. Obviously the truck survived, the drone didn't survive, and yeah, not proud of it, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do for the footage. But I actually forgot to remove the card after the guy that drove on my drone, or on DK's drone, decided that he's going to take it for insurance purposes. He's actually also took numbers, took the cars that we're driving, the number plate of the car that we're driving, so he could actually call us and try and get a hold of us, which it actually didn't end up happening. I hope he's actually sorted with that stuff. On other news, we've been actually reviewing a couple of cameras. This thing is actually shaking. Stop shaking. We've been reviewing cameras, and one of them is this guy here. Now, if you guys missed the video, I'm gonna link the video down in the description for you guys to go watch it. This is really an amazing camera for the price that it goes for. This guy goes for around 800 rands here in South Africa. I did buy this from Amazon. It was a good promotion. I bought two of them for $38, which ends up being much less if you are actually buying other stuff and not only this, which was what was happening. So I got mine from Amazon. You don't have to buy it on Amazon, but I have an Amazon link and a Take a Lot link. You guys can check those links out, and I am amazed. And the other one that I have actually, that I decided that I'm not gonna make a full video on that, I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Actually, let's make this unboxing time. I actually need an intro for this series, unboxing times during the vlog. So let's unbox two things that I have. So I have the stuff over here. I have three things we're going to actually be unboxing in this quick unboxing. I'm gonna do it as quick as I can, but I know whenever I say I'm gonna do something quick, it actually never becomes being quick. Now, I haven't been vlogging for a while because I thought to myself, maybe I don't have enough going on in my life at the moment, so I decided to put a pause on it. But I feel like this December is actually an excuse for me to find things to do that's actually gonna make you guys a little bit entertained, something different, or even the similar things that I do, but I don't have to worry about setting up cameras properly, although it took me around 10 minutes to just set up this shot for you guys. And also because I've been receiving a lot of guests here who come and shoot like the Juice, the guys from the Juice. I know you guys know Bonga and Pilani from the Juice. Simon also shoots here from the Rabbit Hole. And on the past week, we actually had The Finding. The guys from The Finding. I had Dennis coming here with his whole team. And yeah, so I decided, you know what, let me capitalize on these things. So actually, let me put a footage of Dennis and the guys shooting.
Bring the energy.
All right.
Number one, why do men say they're not ready for a relationship when they're in one 2 weeks later?
So yeah, imagine if I actually had recorded a full video on that day. It would actually have something for you guys to watch other than just me sitting down and talking about tech. But anyways, I digress. We're here to unbox this stuff. I feel like I left the knife behind. Let me go get the knife, the unboxing knife. So, got the knife. And by the way, this is the actual contraption that I built. Like, this is what I use on my gimbal. You just place this for you to actually be able to stabilize the gimbal. And this is just a selfie stick. So I just put them both together and became a tripod. A mini tripod, since I have no vlogging tripod, which I actually think I should be getting one. But I mean, if you guys want to send me one, you're always welcome. I'm just saying. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be using to do these vlogs for the time being. It's a little bit taller than the normal vlogging contraption. It actually gets even longer because it can actually extend. Imagine it's a selfie stick, or it's a gorilla pod, or this is actually what comes with the GoPros. That's why it's this long, and it's actually really, really sturdy. This is something very old that I had there and I use once in a while, so it's always good when you can use old stuff to make new videos. Gear never gets old, actually. So like, let's unbox this stuff. Let's start with this little guy there. Now this thing is a tripod. Now this thing here is not a tripod. This thing is a silicone airpod case. This is a silicone airpod case that I got some time back. It's probably been over 6 months now, and I got it to make a video on accessories, or on AirPod accessories for you guys to watch, but never came to light. And yeah, but if you guys want to see a similar video, just let me know. I'm gonna make a proper video for you guys. It comes with the case for the AirPods. AirPods first generation, so it comes with the case for the AirPods, so you just have to put your AirPods in, and voila, they're actually pretty dirty. I need to get them clean, and then you cover them. And it also comes with these little guys here. This is what you will use to secure your AirPods and put them around your neck, so you actually don't lose them, maybe while jogging or even while exercising. This is just something extra. And it also comes with this thingy majiki here to hook around the case itself, for those who want to use it as a keychain maybe, or just hang it on your pants. This is actually pretty good. This is the camera. This is similar to the Wise camera version 2, 1080p camera version 2, but this one is a pan camera. So this one will move at 360 degrees times 93 degrees. What the hell is that? So it's pan and tilt. So it will tilt, I think, backwards and forwards 93 degrees, and it will spin 360 degrees. So it goes all around. I'm planning to put this guy right there, right here in the living room. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. If you want more information on this guy, they basically similar to the other one that I actually opened on video, but this one, it just pans and tilts. So I'm expecting to have similar things that came on the other one. Instruction manuals, we don't read that. This is probably power cable and power cord. This video is going to be longer than I actually wanted it to be, so let's actually hurry up. So power brick, we don't need that either. You have this is the micro USB cable, we don't need that. And this is actually what you guys are here to see. If you're here to see this, well, come out. Okay, it doesn't want to come out. Maybe I'm putting it out the wrong way. Okay, so you can open actually on the side. All right, it's open. And is it recording? Yes, it's recording. And voila, this is the guy. I wonder how it pans 90 degrees vertically. Okay, so it's a 1080p high definition video. It has 120 degrees wide angle lens. It has 110 degrees per second quick rotation. That's how fast it rotates. It also has a 360, this already 360, has 18 steps of gray enhanced night vision. Whatever that means. Unique mic design and high quality audio. Just like the one that I showed you guys on the other video. Again, I'm going to link that video down in the description. This guy here has night vision. It has the ability to detect motion. Unlike that one, this one will rotate 360 degrees so you can actually see your whole surroundings. I hope actually it does that automatically. I'm going to show you guys more in the future, but now I just wanted to unbox it and show you guys what comes inside the box. So let's rip the paper off to give you guys more. Oh wow, it actually comes with a, I think this is quarter-inch thread. This is similar to the tripod. There we go. It's similar to what comes on a tripod, so you basically can hook up your, hopefully. All right, so you can hook up onto your tripod. Now, right now I'm hooking up onto this selfie stick, and you guys can see, let me just put it somewhere here. There we go. That's what's nice about this little contraption that I made. It can actually stand on its own and be as high maybe as a tripod, a normal tripod. So that's the guy. It can go right there. I think we should leave it there for now. It actually looks good there. And that's about it, what you got in the box. So let's move to the next box. Now this was a little bit of, is my thing is showing, I need to move my address so you guys don't come knocking. So this was a little bit of a shopping spree I did on a Black Friday. I made a lot of Black Friday videos, which you guys can actually go check it out. You can actually use it for future Black Fridays. There's actually a couple of tips on how to stay safe online while shopping for Black Friday. And I also advise people to stay away from malls because it's really a mess. I actually showed you guys how Eastgate was looking on Instagram. Again, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go follow me on Instagram. It's PMHK_ZA everywhere, including Twitter that I actually don't use that much. I feel like I get overwhelmed by Twitter. Like there's too many things happening on Twitter. Like I post really not that much on Twitter. So yeah, I ended up buying stuff from Superbalist. This has actually cost me half of the price that it was going to cost if I had to get it on a normal day. So I'm just looking if there's any other things that you guys shouldn't be looking at, like my address and stuff. So I ended up buying shirts because I'm always sitting talking to you guys on my main videos, and I feel like I'm running out of shirts to wear because that's like my uniform of sorts. It's like I just have to change the shirt, and even if let's say I decided I'm gonna make 2 videos on the same day, I just have to come back and change the actual shirt, which is actually nice. So we have 5 North Face t-shirts. We have a yellow, just for me to have different colors when I'm actually shooting there. We have a black, and we have another black but with different writings. I don't know why I got 2 black. Or is this a navy blue? Nah, it's black. We have, this is cream, but when I bought it, it said that it's white, but I can really see this is cream, this is not white. And we have, last but not least, a gray. This is actually, I think, my favorite. Let me open one and show you guys how it actually fits. So I'm still actually wearing my gym attire. I haven't changed yet, but I'm gonna put this one on and you guys are going to see what it looks like on me while I sit, or I might actually stand up and show you guys what it looks like. So let me open it and I'll change it just now. This is actually a really bright yellow. Let me change into this and I'm gonna be back just now. Now, I've changed, you guys can see. Now, these are all large tees. and the price range of them was around on sale. I think one or two was around 179 rand. Yeah, it's actually pretty affordable. And maybe one or two or even three were like 209 rands on promotion, which was actually a nice bargain. Now I can actually just rock these ones while I shoot my main video, but I feel like I'm gonna have to buy more so I can just alternate and not wear all the time the North Face and it looks like I'm promoting the brand. But it's actually really nice brand that I like, and I actually tend to mistaken it to Off-White, or sometimes I call it North White, which is actually something that I need to actually bring myself to think of it before I say it. So I've already set up the physical part of the camera. Now the next is going to be on the app. Then I'm just gonna show you guys how it all works, but I'm gonna set up that off camera. But basically what I'm gonna do is add the device. Let me just show it to you guys. Where's my phone? So what I'm basically gonna do is go to my Wise app on my smartphone, click on Wise. As you guys can see, I already have those things set up. What I need to do is, where do I go? Let me see, this is not here. How do I add again? Click there, click there and say add product. And then I can choose which one. It's a Wise Cam Pen. So you see it's telling me to go and remove the sticker off the camera. So the sticker is off. Now is asking me to set up connect, blah blah blah, connect, blah, blah. It's asking me to go press the connect button, connect to the camera to power outlet. I've done press and hold the setup button. Normally it tells you press and hold the setup button, but you guys already saw this from the previous video, didn't you? Press and hold to set up the. So that's basically it for the setup. Let me just give you 1, 2, 3 steps on it. So you first turn on the camera, connect it to power and turn it on. Obviously it turns on automatically, and then you come to the app, you add the device. It's going to ask you to go close to the device to scan a QR code, and then it gives you 150 seconds to connect, which actually happens normally in less than 10 seconds. And that's it. Now you can actually use the camera on your phone. Now I actually have to go and shower, although I put this brand new clean yellow shirt, but I haven't showered since I went to gym. But yeah, so I'm gonna go do that right now.